Hello, hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com, ready to share with you my February installment of Candy's Card Club. This is my monthly subscription, also available as a single month, where you get everything you need to make 8 cards plus a fabulous set of creative supplies to work with to bring about those designs. So this month, February, I am featuring Greenery Lane Bundle. This is one of our new bundles in the Spring Mini Catalog. This is not included with your card club kit. You may add it on, or you may have it already, or you can use what you have in your stash. Now, you are going to get a half a pack of this gorgeous, gorgeous paper. And I'm showing you the full pack just so that you can see the different designs more readily. This will be cut in half at 12 by 6 for easy mailing. So this is front and back. These are gorgeous papers that you can use over and over for your scrapbooking, for your card making, for any of your paper crafting. They're very gender neutral, unisex. You can use these for men's and women's projects, for anything at all, really. Super versatile, and I love the colors. Lots of greens, also lots of blues. So these are the papers, and again, you get a half a pack of this gorgeous paper with Candy's Card Club for February. Now, you are also going to get this fun zigzag trim to go with it. It's Old Olive. You are going to get a pack of these metallic gems. These are actually from our annual catalog, and you get a third of the package is copper, a third is gold, and a third is silver. You get the full package. You are going to get 8 envelopes to go with your cards, so they're ready to mail. And you will use 3 ink pads to make my cards as designed: Old Olive, Calypso, Coral, Pretty, Peacock. Now let me show you the cards and everything you get for these card packets. So you are going to make 8 different cards, and these have a lot of like your dry embossing on them with the new embossing folders. All of these die cuts are done for you, ready to stamp and assemble. Now, whenever you have to stamp and then die cut, I'm going to give you the paper for it. Here's the next set of cards, and I do them in pairs, but they are all individually 8 individual cards. This pair here, and then last but not least, I always give you a pair of fun folds, and this is my fun fold here. Oopsie, fun fold here. So you get at least 2 fun folds each card club. So this all comes to your door mailed at mailing. Shipping is included with tracking for $45. And if you are doing a single month, it is $49. Your $45 saves you money, obviously, and you can cancel anytime. But if you do 6 consecutive months, you do get a really nice bonus package as a loyalty gift. So this is Candy's Card Club for February. I hope you will consider this. I had a lot of fun designing these, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I've given you lots of colors, lots of ideas, lots of ways of working with things, and treat yourself to a fabulous crafty package by mail. Thanks so much for your consideration. Take care, and God bless.